Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss Amazon is conducting various job openings in different locations with high package. Let's get started. Number 1. Amazon is hiring for Senior Associate ERC. Location Hyderabad. Experience 1 to 6 years of experience is considered. Package 4.5 lakhs per annum. Job description Employee Resources Center ERC Senior ERC Associate in Hyderabad will work closely with the ERC team in the US to provide a variety of HR services to North American employees. We have an immediate need for dedicated professionals to join our ERC in their HR contact center. Basic qualifications A bachelor degree and master degree is a plus. Willing to work in contact and service center environment. Preferred qualifications Foreign language proficiency will be an added advantage. Prior experience in an inbound or outbound call center. For more details, check the link in the description. Thank you. Number 2. Amazon is hiring for Selling Partner Support Associate in various locations Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Experience 0 to 5 years. Experience is preferred. Location Delhi NCR, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. Package 2.75 to 4 lakhs per annum. Job description The SPS associate will be responsible for providing timely and accurate operational support to third-party sellers on the Amazon platform. Basic qualifications Bachelor's degree in any eligible discipline. Basic qualifications Bachelor's degree is required with 0 to 10 years of experience. Excellent written and verbal communication is mandatory. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 3. Amazon is hiring for Seller Support Associate. Work from home. Location Kolkata. Experience 0 to 5 years experience are preferred. Package 2.75 to 4 lakhs per annum. Job description The Seller Support Associate demonstrates end-to-end ownership of every seller interaction coupled with proactive problem solving and provides exceptional support to sellers. Basic qualifications Bachelor's degree in any discipline with 0 to 10 years of experience are required. Excellent written and verbal communication in English along with English. This role is also requires communication in Hindi also. Candidates who are based in Kolkata only should apply. Only immediate joiners are required. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 4. Amazon is hiring for Business Operations Specialist MBO. Location Hyderabad. 0 to 4 years experience are preferred. Package 3.25 to 4 lakhs per annum. Job description This position offers an exciting introduction to the Amazon marketplace and provides a training ground for success. This role will be responsible for driving increased data quality and solving challenging operational business goals by utilizing data to develop creative processes to improve team performance. Basic qualifications Bachelor's degree 0 to 48 months of work experience is required. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 5. Amazon is hiring for Controllership Specialist SQL, DB, and Tableau experience. 1 to 4 years of experience are preferred. Job location Hyderabad. Package 1 lakh to 4 lakhs per annum. Job description Controllership team in Hyderabad is looking for specialists who will be work in projects related to multiple transportation services along with other operational issues and activities related to transportation processes and optimization. Basic qualification Bachelor's degree in engineering or finance or economics. Good communication skills, both verbal and written. Demonstrated ability to work in a team and analytical ability. Proficiency in MS Office, SQL, Excel, and Tableau softwares. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 6. Amazon is hiring for Catalog Quality Analyst, Bangalore. Package It will be discussed by the recruiter. Experience 0 to 2 years of experience is required. Location Bangalore. Job description The ideal candidate must demonstrate strong analytical and communication skills, attention to details, and a commitment to excellence. In addition, the candidate must be proficient in written and verbal English. Eligibility criteria: any graduation is required. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 7. Amazon is hiring for technical designer. Experience: 5 to 10 years of experience are preferred. Location: Bangalore. Package: 15 lakh to 20 lakhs per annum. Job description: the Amazon Fashion Private Brands team is looking for an entrepreneurial and analytical and highly motivated technical designer. This role will ensure Amazon products delight our customers in terms of product quality and fit. Basic qualifications: bachelor's degree from accredited university in technical design and fashion design or pattern making. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 8. Amazon is hiring for data associate. Alexa Shopping at Chennai location. Experience: 0 to 2 years of experience are preferred. Package: 2.25 to 2.75 lakhs per annum. Job description: we are seeking for data associate for our annotation and data analysis operations team. This team plays a crucial role in improving Alexa's natural language understanding, leading to improved CX quality metrics and positive business impact. Eligibility: any bachelor's degree is mandatory. Work experience: 0 to 2 years maximum. For more details, check the link in the description. Number 9. Amazon is hiring for technical designer. Experience: 5 to 10 years. Package: 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Location: Bangalore. Job description: this role will ensure Amazon products delight our customers in terms of product quality and fit. They will be part of our team of experts who will work with designers and merchandise vendors and sourcing team members to ensure we build best in class global products. Basic qualifications: bachelor's degree from accredited university in technical design or fashion design or pattern making. English speaker with strong writing skills. For more details, check the link in the description. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, please get subscribed to my channel so that you will be getting latest information based on job interviews and technical related videos.